Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to download your KTU syllabus for any stream and any semester using our website. It's really simple and straightforward. First, open the website. On the homepage, you'll find a section called KTU Corner. This is where all the important tools for students and faculty are available. Click on it to get started. Once you're in the KTU Corner, you'll see two options, one for students and one for faculty. Since we want the syllabus, we'll select students. After that, the page will ask you to choose your stream. You can pick your branch, whether it's computer science, mechanical, civil, electrical, or any other. As soon as you choose your stream, the website automatically displays the curriculum for that program. You can view all your subjects, course codes, and credits neatly organized in one place. It also has a feature called the Syllabus Browser, which makes it easy to directly download your syllabus PDF. Just select your semester, and the syllabus for that specific term will be ready to download instantly. That's it. You now have your KTU syllabus in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thank you.